Alright, let's settle one of the most common tech debates, Wi-Fi versus Ethernet. Which is actually faster, and why? If you've ever wondered why your video game lags, or why a big file takes forever to download, you're in the right place. I'll break it all down, plain and simple. Let's start with the basics. Wi-Fi is wireless. That means your devices connect through radio waves, no cables, just air. Ethernet, on the other hand, uses an actual physical cable to link your device to your router. So, which one's better? Speed is usually the first thing people care about. Here's the truth, Ethernet is almost always faster than Wi-Fi. Why? Because that cable gives you a direct line from your device to your network. No walls, no signals bouncing around, just pure, uninterrupted data flow. Think of it like a water hose. With Ethernet, the water's going straight to your glass. With Wi-Fi, the water has to travel through the air, and sometimes it splashes or hits obstacles before it gets to you. But there's more to it than just speed. Ethernet is also more stable. That means fewer dropouts, less lag, and a more reliable connection overall. If you're gaming, streaming in 4K, or working from home and need zero interruptions, Ethernet is your best friend. So why do people still use Wi-Fi? Simple. It's convenient. You can move around your house, sit on the couch, or even chill in your backyard, all without being tied down by a cable. Modern Wi-Fi is fast, really fast. For most everyday stuff like scrolling, watching YouTube, or sending emails, you probably won't even notice the difference. But when a lot of people are using the network at the same time, or you're far from your router, Wi-Fi can slow down. Let's clear up a common myth. Just because your internet plan says up to 500 megabits per second, doesn't mean you'll get that on Wi-Fi. The farther you are from your router or the more walls in the way, the weaker your wireless signal gets. With Ethernet, you get almost all the speed your plan offers, no matter what. So, which one should you use? If you want the absolute fastest, most reliable connection, like for gaming, big file transfers, or important video calls, go with Ethernet. But if you value moving around and don't mind a tiny bit of speed loss, Wi-Fi is perfectly fine for most things. Bottom line, wired is faster and more stable, wireless is more convenient. Pick what works best for you, and now you know why. Don't forget to hit subscribe for more tech made simple.